Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Singh and I'm a UPSC Civil Services aspirant preparing for my second attempt in 2027. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update of week number 3 and how I'm planning to go about for week number 4. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for week number 3, the total time that I took was, the total time that I studied was 23 hours and 36 minutes, I guess. And yes, it was an improvement over the last 2 weeks, but I think I'm just way far from where I should be. So yeah, I'm quite disappointed. But you know what, it's still an improvement. So let's just not criticize us much, because I've been dealing with a few things here and there, and also I'm PMSing, so I'm just getting very emotional about stuff. So yeah, that's also one thing. And also I took a 2-day break. So basically I went out to my nani's place, and yeah, I just took like 3 days off. Sunday to वैसे भी I taken off, but on Saturday I took an off, and then on Monday also, that is today, I have taken an off because I just need one day for myself to just organize everything, to plan everything, and to just take care of myself in general. So yeah, that was it for the update of week number 3. Now what do I exactly feel? So basically, ever since last week, I've been hearing very sad news from people about their health, how people who are very close to me are struggling with their health. And also, even I don't feel that great about my health, because in this preparation, आप बस बैठे रहते हो. Physically you don't have much to do, and you just have to study. All you have to do is just study. You're not able to maintain your body, and I think that's a big flaw in my preparation. And I think this is something that I want to improve on, and I'll just start a challenge maybe on this channel about this. And yeah, it's high time that I start taking care of my body as well, because I've been getting signals from my body that Jessica, you need to work. And also, like, the people who are very near and dear are getting very absurd diseases, I guess. And at the end of the day, they have to shift onto that healthy, sustainable lifestyle. And yeah, being a Virgo, being a Virgo, or you can say being a human, I do absorb a lot of energies from others, and I just need to get rid of those energies from myself. So I think I'll just sit down and journal all of this, because I've been thinking about that a lot, and I have been thinking about my health also a lot. And yeah, also today I had a word with my mentor, and मुझे थोड़ा सा डेडलाइन मिली है to complete my lectures by August. So I have to make a plan for that also. And yeah, I'm pretty low on energy, which I do accept right now, because the first step to improve is just simply accepting stuff that is happening. So yeah, I do accept it, and I have to move further with it now. And today is Monday. I took an off today, and I just did some self-care, but still I just don't feel any energy in my body right now to just sit down, do my work. But at least I just forced myself, or just made myself make this video, because I love making videos and I think I can do it anyhow. And here I am. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do with the studies part as well. मेरी 1 घंटे की शायद एक क्लास भी रह गई थी, तो शायद मैं वो भी करूँ आज. एंड या आज मंडे का मैंने ऑफ लिया है, तो प्रॉब्ली आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग ऑन संडे एज वेल दिस वीक. So that's about it for the week number 4. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how content creation or simply posting on this channel has changed me as a person, and what all impacts do I see on myself of creating content from 1 month. So yeah, I can't even believe that it's been a month since I've been uploading my videos so consistently. I never thought that I would be this consistent, but yeah, I'm just so glad, touch wood, touch wood, that I'm posting the content nearly every week and twice a week. So yeah, I'll be bringing up something new like a health challenge or something uh, for the next month, that is August, and this is my birthday month as well, so we've got to treat ourselves nicely because this is a mistake that I've made since the last few years, that I've been expecting a lot from people to do things for me. But I think, and because of that only, on every single birthday I have ended up crying or just having the worst birthdays. And can you guys imagine, I've not even cut a proper cake since the last, I don't know, like मैंने 2-3 साल तो हो ही गया है शायद, पर हाँ, अब it's a new journey because I think I've been quite isolated also, and I don't really have any more friends. So it's all about family this time, and let's see how I'm gonna celebrate it this time. But till then, I think that's it for this video. I have shared my heart out here, and yeah, that's it. So if the future